guys, it's Beauty Chickie and I am back at the Kiss Beauty Studio to show you all how to apply Kiss's new Falscara. When mascara just isn't enough and you love the look of lash extensions but you don't want to deal with strip lashes, don't wait on Kiss Falscara. If you can mascara, you can Falscara. So step one is bonding time. Brush a light coat of the bond, which is infused with biotin, to a clean, natural lash. And a little goes a long way. For step two, you're gonna apply the wisp underneath your natural lashes. You're gonna use the patent pending applicator and pluck a wisp from the tray, and then one by one, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from your waterline. You're gonna apply the wisp starting from the outer corner of the lash line, working inwards, or vice versa, and be sure to place the wisp right next to each other for a seamless look. If you need to, you could use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the wisp against your natural lashes, and this is going to help the wisp adhere for a more secure hold. And step three, you're going to lock it all in with the seal. You're going to dab a thin coat of the seal, which has vitamin E in it, under the wisp, and this is going to get rid of any sticky residue and it's going to hold the wisp in place. This is amazing. My lashes have literally never looked better. With Falscara, there's no need for a mascara.